Hey y'all, today is Whisper Crunch Wednesday. We have some crunches. We about to crunch. That's what I feel like doing. I feel like I just want to crunch. I might look tired because I am. I'm tired. But we have Zaxbys Cookout and Chick-Fil-A ice in here. That's what I don't have in here. Sonic ice. I was trying to remember. I was missing one. I don't even know if I got Sonic ice. I'm gonna mix it up. I didn't mix it. Why are you tired? You always tired. Let me get a couple of crunches, y'all. Let me get a couple. Did I say it's Whisper Crunch Wednesday? Yes, it's Whisper Crunch Wednesday, y'all. Just in case I didn't say it. Yeah, we finished that freezer pretty quick, huh? I was, what was I gonna do? I did rebuild a couple of times. I let the humidifier keep going a couple of times and kept building over it. We had a lot of fluffy squeaky this time, and some crispy, huh? I am going to talk. It's just hitting. Okay, y'all, it's hitting. Okay, so I'm so tired because I went swimming the other day. My nephew was here. took, it was me, my mom, and my nephew. We went to my pool here where I stay, and we went swimming. We had a good time. I think we swam for about 2 hours. We had a real good time. At first I thought it was gonna rain, but we got lucky. We also went to Red Lobster's, and I haven't been in years, but I was trying to get him to do like the Boondocks, and asked his grandpa for some Cheddar Bay biscuits. My dad's grandpa. Try to get him to do like the Boondocks. He never seen the Boondocks, but I just try to get him to say, "Can I have some Cheddar Bay biscuits, Grandpa?" And then I sent it to my big brother. Yeah, being funny. But I truly enjoyed the pool. I really enjoy going to the pool. I like going to beaches. I like the water. The only type of water I think I have not swum in was like a pond or like a lake. Yeah, I haven't done that. But I don't know. Hold on. When I went to Costa Rica, Nicaragua, I went to the waterfall and stuff. But I don't know. That's not like a, excuse me, that's not like a pond or a lake. A waterfall is different. That water is different. It's moving water. I don't really go to, yeah, I never been to like a regular lake or a pond like that. Or I have, but I didn't get in the water. Yeah. I've been to them, but I haven't gotten in the water. But I've been to like a waterfall, got on a waterfall and stuff like that. Been inside the water where there's a waterfall. We had a good time. It was my first time actually going to the pool with my nephew. He's 8. Well, I did take him to an amusement park. Went to the amusement park and we swam out there. So this is my second time really going swimming with him. We had a good time. I picked him up and I threw him. He's tall. He's really tall. And it was funny because he went down. I couldn't throw him high, so he didn't go down far, but he went down. He was only like in 3 feet, 4 feet. He went down and he came back up and he was doing all that. Y'all know how it is when the water goes up and it goes into your nose and stuff, because he let go of his nose and he's up there trying to push the water out his nose. I told him, I said, there ain't no water in your nose, boy. So you already spit the water out. I said, that's just the sting of the chlorine because you sucked it back. But yeah. And no, he didn't take in a lot of chlorine, like, in his system. I know better than that. I've been going swimming for a very long time, and I was like, letting him know you can't do that. You gotta, don't swallow. I say, it ain't like a bathtub. I said, you shouldn't be swallowing your bath water either. I said, but not like a bathtub. I said, you don't swallow chlorine water. You don't swallow bath water either, though. But I love pools, y'all. I love water. I do. I love it so much. And I enjoy it. Even if I go to like one of my exes, his dad worked at like this, what was it? Like a fishing dock type thing or something. And I remember when he took me out there, because he went back home to visit and went to go see his dad. And when he took me out there, I remember they were just talking and I just sat on the deck with my feet just hanging, just watching the water. Yeah, I can watch water like all day. I don't know, it's relaxing to me. Some people don't like it, but it's super relaxing to me just to sit there and just watch the water, the waves. And there was fish there too, so I could see the fish move and stuff. And I also love swimming because it's such a great workout. It's a great full body workout. It was hot. And they were saying thunderstorms were supposed to be coming. Supposed to be coming because, you know, we're getting a lot of storms lately. It's hurricane season. The rain tried to sprinkle a little bit on us when we was in the pool, but then it stopped and it cleared, and we had 2 hours in the pool. And then when we finally left, we was on the way to the car. Excuse me, I'm sorry. We was on the way to the car, and then it finally started coming down, y'all. But it wasn't that bad until and we went to go get some food afterwards. And then after I got dropped off, one of the best showers you can take is after getting out the pool, y'all. After you sit down and wash all that chlorine off and wash your hair, you just be feeling so fresh and so sleepy. Had a full body workout, a bomb shower, washed my hair real good, and then I want to say probably about an hour or two after I got back in, maybe 3 hours after I got back in, that's when the sky fell, y'all. Like, it was raining so hard. And it was storming for like a long time, and I just sat inside the chair just watching, looking out the window, just watching the storm. I enjoy watching it. I just was watching the wind blow and the rain go, and it was like, it turned pitch black. The power rain blinked off like once, but it was like a quick blink, like, and came right back on. But I enjoyed it. I think it's supposed to storm again, I think in a couple of days. First it was like all week. I think last week it was like all week we had rain. This week we were supposed to have a lot of rain, but I think now it's saying like one day. I don't know. But the storms are coming in. It is hurricane season. Hope everybody's being safe out there and getting help with any of the storms that hit y'all hard out there. I know right now it's a tough time, and a lot of places aren't getting help that they usually do. But I'm sending, peace and love, and hopefully strength to y'all if you're in that predicament. I even took a nap today. That's how you know I'm tired from being in the pool from yesterday. But I love y'all. Thank you for chilling with me. Sorry I didn't talk a whole lot. But I didn't want to tell y'all I was at the pool. And I'm surprised. I don't know, my tan is not as dark as I thought it was going to be. But y'all be safe. I love y'all. I'll see y'all next one.